Right people, just came through that hole in that wall up there on these dodgy missions, what we're up to today. In the back of this place, if anybody recognises it, I'll let you have a quick look around that corner. Yeah, so that's where we are. If anyone knows, then good on them. Through this doorway into this work room. Nice little room. All shelves and tables left behind, rotting away. Nature taking over, doing what it does best. Mad little place. Little workrooms. Absolutely crazy. Bit of spray paint there. Bent. Mad little rooms. So, keep going, see what else we can find. Crazy little place. See what else we can find on these little journeys, little missions. Another little room, little work room, bits left behind. Right then, in this part now, looking very big it is, very old fashioned. Look at the state of this place here. Wow. Yeah, it's huge. Not a lot in here, ladies and gents. It's empty shell of a house. 60s style. So, I think I'm giving a look in here. Not much to see. So, head onwards, see what else we can find. So that was inside that house. Not much to see in there. But have a look at this up here, ladies and gents. Look at this for decayed. Look at that for a mess. It's like a bomb's gone off. There's a photo. So, keep going, onwards and upwards, see what else we can find. Just walked through this door, nearly fell through the floor because it's that rotten. I don't know if I dare go any further, but look at all these shells. Absolutely amazing. Must have been like the storeroom. Absolutely brilliant. What a find. But the floor has seen better days. Don't know if I dare even stand on it. I'm going to have to. What's in here? Oh, stairs. Right. Let's have a quick look up these stairs, people. See how far we can go. See what we can see. Looks a bit decayed up here, so bear with. Oh mate. Oh, this is crazy up here. It's like stepping back into the old times. Look at all this. Definitely worth the look. Look at that. Wow. It's what you call the mega stores. I used to keep all the bits and bobs. Just cupboards everywhere, little shelves and just stuff. It's absolutely crazy. I'm up inside of that place. Gone through that door at the bottom down there and working your way up through all these crazy staircases. You wouldn't believe some of the stuff what's left in here, ladies and gents. What a place. That's all I can say. So they've got old tools and stuff left behind here. Absolutely nuts. What's this say? Don't know what that says. This indenture. All stuff still left in the shelves. Never believe it, would you? 2020 and there's still stuff on the shelves. Still stuff in the boxes. Absolutely nuts. That's all I can say. Shocked with this place. Really am. Just goes on and on forever. So anyway, this part up here looks all trashed. Still gonna have a little look. Whoa. Dodgy floors. Really dodgy floors. Like an old office block this is. At least we're having a look. Getting it done. That just looks like old offices. Yeah. Creaking. Private. Make our way through here. Some stairs there going down somewhere. Who knows where. Nice graffiti. Someone's been up here before. Some more of them certificates. I'm back in here again. Trapdoor there. Spent hours exploring this place. That must be for loading. Like an old loading bay. So here we are back in the stores. Absolutely nuts. Goes up again there. So have a little look up here. Keeps going up and up and up and up. Jesus. Looks really rotten up here though, so I don't think I'm going to be staying up here. Goes all the way along there and all the way up again. All parts. Like I say though, the floor's gone up here. So I don't think I'm going to be risking that one. I'm about 4 floors up. So let's have a little squeeze around the corner. Can't see nothing that way. So head back down I think. Oh, these stairs are sketchy. Can hear them crumbling underneath my feet. So old in here. Absolutely nuts. Storeroom. Extravaganza. All the way through here. Up again. Into this place. Wow, there's no floor at all there. So bear with me if it's a bit shaky. Shaky jakey. Another little storeroom. All these shelves. Absolutely nuts. Man, you come in here try and find a part. Take you forever. So that was the stores. Crazy little place. Make your way back through here, over this. Because underneath it was no floor at all. As you can see down there, there's no floor. Literally, this is just a big void. There's rotten wood. So, Anti-156 is just walking the plank over the top. Back on terra firma. Back in here again. The crazy little storerooms. Absolutely crazy little place. Glad I ventured up here to have a nosy. Little workroom here. Don't know what they'd be doing in here, but it's nice, old fashioned. There's some secret stairs here. Let's have a look. Oh, something. Maybe a toilet. Aren't sure. Bit high up to be a toilet. Oh, some more stairs. Strange. It's a weird hole. Right, and ladies and gents, make my way out of here. Back through this doorway. Right, and come up them stairs. Over this dodgy floor here. Some more parts of the stores. Up some stairs. So I'm on like the 4th floor now, where I didn't really want to go, but I'm up here now anyway. This is a crazy little storeroom. You can see how high up I am. That's the floor below. Hang on. That's the floor below, and there's a floor below that, and there's a floor below that as well. So, yeah, we are quite high up, ladies and gents, in these crazy storerooms. What a place it is as well. Having a little nosy. All things written on. Panning knife. All numbers. Single head knives, clickers, fish knives, finced. If everybody knows what these things are, let me know in the comments. Assorted clickers, wherever they are. Yeah. So, make our way through here so that we can see. Hear the floor creaking underneath my feet. Absolutely nuts. Good old George Barnsley's. If anyone wants to come, have a look at this crazy place. Just goes on and on forever. Just rooms. Goes up again there, up some more stairs. So I might even go up there in a minute. Some more little crazy rooms. Through here. Little work rooms. Little office area. Even got the old table there of work on. Some jobs written on it maybe. Jobs for the day. Like work tables. And then here we are, another room. Old work rooms. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah. It's a good old work room. Big long table in here. And this floor here looks well and truly done. So I don't even know if I'm going to even attempt it. And there I can hear it crunching. So I'll go back and try to go round. I ain't going to try that. That is knackered. Look out there. No chance. So make our way back now through this crazy place. So what else you can find? Crazy storerooms. George Barnsley's. Can't get over that desk. That's nuts, that is. No one's written in it though. Oh there. Alex Connor 2020. See who else is in here. Love George Barnes. Just other random stuff. See what else we can find in this place. Crazy stores. Like a maze this place is. Just keeps going on forever. Another part along there. Doesn't go nowhere though. So make our way back through here. Here back Sheffield. Shout out. It's been up here as well, up to the very top. There again, here back Chef. Well done, mate. Reaching the top. Risking your neck like me. To come and show people the sights. So what's up here? Crazy little rooms. Looks like it's had a fire in this part at some point. All black bits and bobs left all over everywhere. More storerooms. Old tea chests. All bits and bobs. Old sack there left hanging. So, not much to see now. So a little walk round here, see if we don't miss anything. No, that's about it. Another little room here. There's this go. Little look through. Someone's been graffitiing in here, doing what he does best. Shout out, you know who you are. So make your way back through now. Oh, nearly went through again. Creepy place. Sketchy as well, and you're on your own. So make your way back through. So else we can see in this crazy place. So make your way back down now. From the good old 4th floor. Onto the 3rd floor now. You see where everybody else has gone. So just keep on having a little wander through. So we can see all decayed in there. There's shelves everywhere you look. Absolutely everywhere. All these little shelves with all odd stuff in once. On nail board here. Just spotted. I'll have to look on my Adzi156 on Instagram for the photo. Just getting the shots. I was for the old Instagram. Shout out. Good old urban lad Yorkshire. Little crazy little kitchen. That cooker. How old's that? Old ceramic sink. See one of them for ages. Into like the office part now. Office block. Little weird little rooms. Don't know what they are. It's an old toilet by the looks of it. Sink there on the what's left of it there. There's the old toilet in there. You'll see the chain hanging. So we've all seen the toilet before. Into this little room here. Whatever this is. Decayed, to say the least. Nice spiral staircase here now. So make our way down there so that we can see down the old spirals. Spiraling out of control now. So here we are. Old typewriter there. That is old Burroughs. And all the paper it used to throw out back in the day. So obviously this is an old office. Hence why there's a big safe sitting there. or a few safes, should I say, because there's some more, 2 more there. 2 more safes. Put the torch on for you. Look at that safe there, that's a beast. Got a door on it. Know what I used to keep in there. Obviously the wages. That was that little crazy room. The safe room. Or the typewriter room. No wait, it's on wheels as well, that typewriter is. Imagine someone sitting behind it, busy. Working away. See what else we can see around here, eh folks? Go down either that corridor or down there. A little walk along here, because I think this takes it out. Yeah, that's the stairs that bring you in or out. That's a spirally staircase I just came down. Very nice. So we'll go and have a look along here. More little offices, more safes. Safe there, no door on. So I must even keep the plans in here. It's a nice safe there. Seen a few of them around, haven't we, lately, ladies and gents, on my videos. Nice little safe. Nothing else really in here. That's it for in that room. Not much really to see. So keep on looking. Another big safe there. Sitting on the floor upside down. Another little workroom. Nice old desks. You think somebody would come and have these desks out of here? Salvage hunters. So, back where we started. You've already seen all these rooms. Back into the good old stores. So I'll cut it here and join you all outside in a minute. Right people, back at ground level now. Bring right up there to the very top, the 4th floor, and come all the way back down. So that was the stores. So stay tuned, see what else we're doing come across. Like I said people, on ground floor, back on terra firma. So I'm going to have a look in the basement while I'm here, see what I can see. Have a little nosy in here. Oh, it's a mess. There's not a lot to see. Just a big boiler or whatever it is. So that was the boiler. Not worth coming down here really, but at least I've come and had a look. So make my way back up. Go see what else we can find in this crazy place. Go see where everyone's gone now. Go and find the machine shop or the parts room or something. Somewhere around here. Remember there earlier on, ladies and gents. This is the old press room where the presses used to be. All belt driven as well. That's the big winch there for it, big cog. That's one of the belts there going along. And these are the presses here. That's one of the big presses. That's huge. And these are the mini presses here on that big belt there. That belt would be lifted up and then dropped back down with that weight onto whatever it was what was on there being pressed. That's what I'm assuming anyway. Another one there. And then they have the belts above. And it all gets driven across somehow. Absolutely nuts. Yeah. That was a press room someplace. Old sink there. Many people must have washed their hands in there in the back in the days. So that little place. So old fashioned looking. Really nice. Right people, now on the roof, just getting a couple of shots for you of the old building. Been in quite a lot of that we have now, so let me know in the comments what you think of this one. Good little explore. Storerooms, workrooms, the big rooms where we first came in. Quite a good little place really, worth a look. If anybody wants to come and explore this place, certainly spend some time in here, put it that way. Definitely worth a look. So, back down these stairs. Look at that for a shot though, down these stairs. The bend on the wall. Seen some action these stairs have. So, make your way through. Old bomb shelter this is down here. Have a look down here. Stairs look well worn, to say the least. Yeah. So this used to be a bomb shelter, ladies and gents, back in the days. So if there was ever a war, so everybody would come and hide down here to get away. Keep all the workers in here so they don't get bombed in the Blitz years ago. Another way in there. So have a little wander round, see what I can find in here. But obviously back in the day I had the seats going all the way along, people sit on. And obviously try and ride out the noise what was going on outside. Another little room along here, goes along and through and up again. It's been blocked off there. That's obviously another way down back in the days. And then that there went through there, and who knows where that goes. Just lots and lots of footprints. I might as well have a look now. Now I'm here. Yeah, it just keeps going on and on. All the way through, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, hang on, now we've come to the end. That's the old aircon. Get a bit of fresh air in here. Whew. Yeah. So that was the bomb shelter for the workers. The workers' bomb shelter. I hope you like these things I'm doing for you, ladies and gents. Climbing all through all these crazy tunnels. Through there I've just been. Absolutely nuts. So that was that. A good old place. Make my way back out now. Up the old stairs. So that was the bomb shelter, ladies and gents. Hope you liked it down there. I thought it was quite cool myself. That was where that other hole was for the bomb shelter. Must have been a few ways in for the workers to run down it. Once that air raid siren was going off, they might have just run quick, I suppose. So, another little room there, left decaying, rotting away in time. Been quite a cool place. Absolutely crazy. There's little rooms everywhere, like a maze. The maze of mazes. See if I can see anything in here while I'm here. Just an old generator room. Still buzzing as well, so keep away from there. Don't get electrocuted. No thank you. I'm shocking enough. So, might end it here, folks. Old winch there on the chain. Getting the loads in. Out of the cars, trucks, whatever else would come and deliver here back in the old days. So, that's been that place. Done most of the rooms. Done most of these little parts here. Remember all them earlier on this morning. Earlier on in the video. That's about it then, ladies and gents. Back here again now. So we're call it here, I think. 1972 Factories Regulations Act. It just shows how old this place is. That's that place where he was earlier, with all of the graffiti. So, hope you like this one. Got code 420 on the go here, so we better get going, guys and girls. So we'll see you on the next one. Speak to you all soon. Bye for now.